Hello everyone, how are you? Asking somebody how are you? If somebody asks how are you, what do you say? I'm sure your answer would not be more than a few words. So how are you has been defined by different people in different ways. And it has been classified into three categories. First, negative, second, mediocre, third, positive. So let me give you an example of three categories. You would understand soon. If you ask any negative person who has got who is full of negativity, who is completely demoralized, and you ask him how are you, if you ask her how are you, what the guy would answer? The guy would say, don't ask, lousy, I'm too much tired, it was not my day, it's Friday, thank God. So this answer also these answers tell the attitude of that guy, and we can judge the character of that person. We can judge the person and person's character also as well. If somebody says don't ask, what does it mean? If you ask somebody how are you and somebody says to you don't ask, it means that somebody is telling you, making you understand that you have made the mistake while asking how are you. It means next time you will never ask about that guy. If somebody says thank God it's Friday, what does it mean? Thank God it's Friday, it means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, these days are not good, and Friday he can bear. Saturday, Sunday, of course he has got the off, so thank God it's Friday, that's why he has said. So how could you cope up with these people? How could you live? How could you manage these people? And why to talk with these people? Those who have the negativity, they are full of negative thoughts. Second, mediocre. If you ask them how are you, they would say, what would they say? It's okay, it could be worse, it was not my day. Or somebody would say that I'm so. The thing is that these people are telling you it could be worse. What does it mean? It could be worse. It could be worse sense is giving you that they are not getting the positive thoughts, energy in their work. They want the holiday. They are not energetic and they want to take the energy from you. So their answers are especially telling about them, that how they are defining themselves. They're giving the shape through their answers. They're making their personality through their answers. How? This is the main problem. Third category people. If you ask them, how are you? They would say, I'm fantastic, I'm great, I'm superb, I'm on cloud 9, I'm fit as a fiddle, I'm in the pink. How could they say these many answers? Because they want to make their day energetic. And they get the energy in their day when they keep working. These sorts of people have the really a different kind of energy which they really share. And they tell that use these energies by the morning, believe in me, you will also become energetic, enthusiastic. If you want to become an enthusiast speaker, you need the energy. If you want to become an enthusiast player, you need the energy. And energy comes when you respond well, and response comes when you are ready to give the answer of every single question which is asked by somebody. In beginning, if somebody asks you how are you and you are not responding well to that guy, try to understand it means you are lousy, you are tired, you are okay. So whenever somebody asks you how are you, tell with the energy which you have and make this energy. Because through that you can build the relation. First you connect, it is important. After connection you can communicate. Without connection you cannot communicate with anybody. And connection approaches when somebody asks you how are you, or you ask somebody how are you, and somebody responds to your question Yes, I'm fantastic, super. If somebody answers, don't ask. It means you are proved that you are wrong and you have been proved by that guy. So you cannot control that guy, but you can control your own thoughts. Next time you would not ask that guy. So always, how are you seems to be very easy. But believe in me, when you give the answer, it shows that it gives your attitude. It shapes your attitude. It tells others that how you are making your attitude better. So thank you guys for listening to me. If you are liking these videos, 100% subscribe to my channel. I would be making these sorts of videos in future also. Have a nice time ahead.